A retired programmer built an AI assistant in his spare time. Within days, GitHub stars exploded from 5,000 to 20,000. Mac Minis sold out because people wanted to run it 24/7. Cloudflare stock jumped on speculation they were somehow involved. It's called Clawdbot. It's done, and it's completely free, open source, and runs on your machine. This isn't another ChatGPT wrapper. This is a 24/7 AI that can actually do things. Read your emails, book your flights, control your smart home, push code to GitHub. I've been using it for 2 weeks. Here's the complete guide: what it is, how to set it up, and 10 automations that will change how you work. Clawdbot is an open-source personal AI assistant built by Peter Steinberger. It runs locally on your Mac, Windows, or Linux machine. Your data never leaves your computer unless you want it to. The key difference from ChatGPT or Claude: Clawdbot can act, not just talk. Think of it as having a smart coworker sitting at a desk with a computer, who you can message on WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, or even iMessage. You message, check my email and summarize anything urgent. It actually opens your inbox, reads the emails, and responds. You message, book me a flight to Tokyo next month. It searches, compares, and can complete the booking. This is what people imagined Siri would be 10 years ago. Except this actually works. And, because it's open source, there's no monthly fee. No corporate data harvesting. Just an AI that works for you. Let me be clear about what makes Clawdbot unique. ChatGPT and Claude are conversation partners. You ask, they answer. Clawdbot is a doer. You ask, it executes. The architecture is completely different. System access. Clawdbot can read and write files, run shell commands, execute scripts. It has hands. Persistent memory. It remembers your preferences, your schedule, your projects. Context that survives sessions. 50+ integrations. Gmail, GitHub, Spotify, Obsidian, Twitter, smart home devices. Out of the box. Platform agnostic. Message it on WhatsApp from your phone. It runs tasks on your desktop. Background processing, cron jobs, scheduled tasks, proactive notifications. It works while you sleep. One community member described it perfectly. A dude in a repo fills in the cracks of billion-dollar industries. Apple couldn't build this. Google couldn't build this. But an open-source community did. Setup takes 5 to 30 minutes depending on your experience. Let me walk you through it. Prerequisites. You need Node.js 22 or higher. Windows users. You must use WSL2. Native Windows isn't supported. Step 1. Install Clawdbot. Open your terminal and run npm install g-clawdbot latest. Or if you prefer pnpm add g-clawdbot latest. Step 2. Run the onboarding wizard. Run Clawdbot onboard. Install daemon. This wizard handles everything. It installs the background service so Clawdbot runs 24/7. Step 3. Configure your model. You have options. Use Claude API for best results. OpenAI works too. Or run fully offline with Llama for local models. I recommend Claude Opus 4.5 for complex tasks, and Claude Haiku for quick ones. Step 4. Connect a channel. Telegram is easiest. Create a bot through BotFather. Paste the token. WhatsApp, Discord, iMessage, all supported. Pick what you use. Step 5. Add your first skill. Clawdbot's power comes from skills. Start with basics. Gmail, calendar, file search. The Claude Hub Marketplace has hundreds of community-built skills. Pro tip. After setup, run Clawdbot status. All. This gives you a full debug report if anything isn't working. Here are 10 automations I use daily. These alone justify the setup time. 1. Email triage. Every morning, Clawdbot summarizes my inbox. Urgent items first. I respond to key messages before I even open Gmail. 2. Calendar intelligence. What's my day look like? It reads my calendar and tells me what to prepare for. 3. Flight check-in. I message check me in for my flight. It logs into the airline, completes check-in, sends my boarding pass. 4. Code review assistant. Review the latest PR in my project. It reads the code, summarizes changes, flags potential issues. 5. Meeting prep. Before calls, it pulls relevant docs, recent emails from attendees, and previous meeting notes. 6. Smart home control. Set the office lights to focus mode. Connected to Hue, it adjusts without opening an app. 7. Research Assistant. Research the latest on Clawdbot competitors and summarize. Web search, synthesis, delivered to chat. 8. Health integration connected to Whoop. It analyzes my sleep and recovery, suggests schedule adjustments. 9. Document automation. Fill out my expense report from last week's receipts. It gathers data, populates forms. 10. Daily briefing. Scheduled for 7 a.m. Weather, calendar, urgent emails, news summary. I wake up informed. The compound effect is massive. Each automation saves 5-15 minutes. Daily, forever. Clawdbot has system access. That's powerful but requires responsibility. Here are the security rules. Rule 1. Enable pairing mode. By default, unknown senders get blocked. They must share a pairing code you approve. Run, Clawdbot pairing approve, channel Dansai, code for trusted contact. Rule 2. Never expose gateway publicly. The gateway should only be accessible from your local network or VPN. Never open it to the internet. Rule 3. Use sandboxed mode. For tasks you're unsure about, enable sandboxing. Limits, file system and network access. Rule 4. Audit the skills. Before installing community skills, check the code. It's open source. Verify what it does. Rule 5. Monitor logs. Clawdbot logs every action. Review periodically, set up alerts for unusual activity. The upside of local AI, your data stays yours. The responsibility, you're the admin, treat it seriously. After weeks of usage, here are the pro tips that make a difference. Tip 1. Memory size matters. If you're running on a VPS, use at least 2 GB RAM. The 1 GB droplets will crash during npm install. Tip 2. Use Node, not Bun. Bun has compatibility issues with WhatsApp and Telegram channels. Stick with Node.js. Tip 3. Add Brave Search. For web searches, get a Brave API key. Run. Clawdbot configure. Section Web. Superior results to built-in search. Tip 4. Model routing. Configure different models for different tasks. Opus for complex reasoning. Haiku for quick lookups. Saves cost, improves speed. Tip 5. Customize skills. Skills are just TypeScript files. Modify them, fork them, build your own. Hot reloading means instant updates. Tip 6. Mac users. Get the companion app. Runs in menu bar, shows status, provides quick access. Requires Mac OS 14 Plus. Tip 7. Back up your memory. Clawdbot's memory is stored locally. Back it up. Losing context is losing weeks of learning. These small optimizations compound. A well-configured Clawdbot is exponentially more useful than default. What Clawdbot represents is bigger than one tool. For years we've been promised personal AI assistants. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, all limited by corporate constraints. Clawdbot proves what's possible when you remove those constraints, when the AI runs locally, when the code is open, when users can extend it. The GitHub trajectory, 5,000 to 20,000 stars in days, shows the demand was always there. I think we'll look back at early 2026 as the moment personal AI actually arrived, not from Apple or Google, from a retired developer and an open source community. If you've been waiting for AI that actually helps in daily life, not just answers questions, this is it. Links in description. Setup guide on my site. The future of personal AI isn't subscription software. It's open source agents running on your hardware. Let me know what automations you build. Complete setup guide and my config files are at endofcoding.com. If this was useful, subscribe. I cover AI tools for developers every week. Drop a comment with what you're automating. I'll feature the best ones in a follow-up. See you in the next one.